So for this video, we're going to talk about EQ techniques. So I got pretty much everything I need to worry about there. I've cut some unnecessary low end, which is going to be highly effective. And then I might even add a node here that's a bell node and just boost it a little and surf around. See if there's anything that's kind of unwanted or not tasty. Let's do this with the drums too. Roll off that sub, usually right around 30 hertz. Try another little boost, surfing around. I think that 9K, 10K is a little hot for my taste, so I'm going to push that down just a touch and make that guy nice and narrow. It's kind of looking for the yucky spot, and if I want to hear what I'm really cutting, I can hit this solo isolate. Listen to that kind of metallic ring. That's a little much for me, so that solo, that band isolate mode is really nice for balancing things out.